Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Factorization. Okay, I was doing one of the math video and I got one friend asking what she's doing. I was doing factorization, factoring. 用中文叫十字相乘。I will explain you in Chinese a little bit. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. And you factor it. You factor. In Chinese, we do it. The first, the coefficient is 1 times 1. Equal to 1. 2 can be 1, 6 can be 2, 3, or 6, 1, and 3, 2. How do you get the middle 5? 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's it. So this one we can positive, everything is positive. So this one is for the x, this one is for the ones. X plus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal negative 2x equal negative 3. These are the two solutions for this. Okay. Still 5, x squared plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. How do you do this? 1, 1, x coefficient is 1. 6 can be 2, 3, can be 1, 6. And how do we get this 1, 5 and negative? So we have 1 positive, 6, 1, 6, 1, and 6 is positive, 1 is negative. So 1 times 1 is x squared, and the middle term, positive 6 plus negative 1, or 6 minus 1 is positive 5x. And 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 equal to 0. So x plus 6 times x minus 1 equal to 0. X is negative 6, x is positive 1. Do I make any sense? When I was young, I always do it. I have a fascination for this. So I love this. Another one, you do it very, very often. You become comfortable with it. Do I explain? It's kind of hard to explain. Okay, this is question 1, question 2, question 3. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. 1 is 1, 1, 6, 2 times 3. How do I know it's 2 times 3, not 1 times 6? Because this is positive. You need 2. How do I explain it? Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. So x squared adjacent negative 5x plus 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Do I make any sense? X minus 2 times x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 2, x equal to 3. Okay, question number 4. X squared minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So this must be 1 and 6. 1, 1, 6, 1. And it's negative 5, so this is negative. So x squared negative 5 plus 1 negative 5x negative 6 times negative 6 plus 1 negative 5. I said it wrong. I'm sorry. Sometimes I have failure, so I need to write it down. I do not trust my voice. I know a lot of time. This is why I got internet people criticizing me. Maybe I should bring up the light of failure. It's a kind of a thing that you say something that you do not mean it. I learned about this from one kind of tech talk, an educational talk. One brilliant young girl got brain damaged, and she recovered. But on the way of her recovery, she has this failure that she sees something, but the word come out just different. Not only this young girl, I have seen, I am interested in it, so I have heard a lot of people here and there have this. It's unintentionally getting some wrong number, getting some wrong words. And it's very good if you are in politics. It's a very good target for people. And people who have intention to looking for trouble, you will be in trouble for sure. So this is negative 6 equal to 0. So x minus 6 times x plus 1 equal to 0. X is 6, x is negative 1. Do I make any sense? Okay, now it's relatively easy when the first, the coefficient of x squared is 1. When it is another number, it becomes a little bit more complicated, but you can do it if you have done a lot of it. I think I will go out with Lynn when I talk about mathematics. Anyway, so x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So 2 times 5 makes 7. 2 times 5 makes 10. 2 plus 5 makes 7, right? X plus 2 times x plus 5 equal to 0. How do you know it? 1, 1 is the coefficient of x. And 2, 5. 2 times 5 makes 10. 2 plus 5 makes 7. And positive, all is positive. So x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. X is negative 2, x is negative 5. Right? Okay, we are done with, this is question number 5. Now we do the first coefficient, the highest degree, or the square, x squared coefficient is a different number. Let's say 2x squared plus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So for the x squared, the coefficient is 1 times 2. And for 6, it can be 1, 6, can be 2, 3. Oh, 2 times 2 makes 4, and 1, 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So 2x squared plus 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4, and plus 1, 3 is 7x plus 6 equal to 0. So x plus 2 times 2x plus 3 equal to 0. X is negative 2, x is negative 3 over 2. This one is 6, 7, 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. Of course, you can do like this. 2a 分之负 b 加减根号下 b 方减 4ac. You can do this. I am just more interested in doing, as long as I can try to dismantle this, factorize by hand. I will try to factorize by hand. So 6 is 2 times 3. Ooh, 13, 15, 2, and this is negative 15, negative 6. So 1 times 5 is 5x squared. Negative 15, positive 1, negative 13x, negative 3, positive 1 times negative 6. So x minus 3 times 5x plus 2 equal to 0. X is 3. X is negative 5 over 3. Make any sense? Let's do another one. 5x squared plus 17x plus 6 equal to 0. It's all positive. 1, 5. This one, because 5 is a prime number, you cannot do anything. You must make it into 1, 5, right? 1 times. These are all integers. And 17. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. 15 plus 2, 17. Okay. So everything is positive. I do not write positive. When it is positive, I do not need to write. Usually, see, if I do it, I do not write because I know it. It's my kind of a shortcut way. So 5x squared plus 15加2 17x plus 6 equal to 0. X plus 3 times 5x plus 2 equal to 0. X is negative 3. X is negative